Good transitions can make video content so much more fun and engaging, but are you utilizing them in the best way? I'm sure you see transitions in a lot of videos on TikTok. They're a great way to add fun and flair to your videos, leaving your audience entertained and engaged. CapCut has so many different kinds of transitions and customization options, and that's what I want to walk you through today. I want to show you how to use CapCut transitions in your videos and adjust them to stop those scrolling thumbs. This video is about all things transitions. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any tutorials or product updates. Okay, now that we've got that covered, let's jump into the CapCut desktop app. Here I have my video all cut up and ready to go. All that's missing are my transitions. Everything I need is in the transitions menu on the top left-hand side of the screen. You can see here there are so many different subcategories for transitions, the first being the trending section. I highly recommend perusing the trending section first. I mean, these are popular for a reason, right? You can see that some of these transitions have the Pro sticker. This just means that if you use that specific transition, you'll need to upgrade your account to a CapCut Pro membership before you export. So just keep that in mind as you're scrolling through and making your choice. If you move your mouse over the transitions, you'll get a little preview here. When you click on the transition, you'll see your video pop up in the player and you'll be able to see how that transition looks within the context of your video. This is super helpful in picking what's gonna look best in your particular video. If you'd like to solely check out the CapCut Pro transitions, head into the Pro section. Otherwise, you can choose between overlays, movements, light effects, blurs, and more. Personally, I usually go with movement transitions. I usually like my transitions more on the natural side and kind of mimic the real movements that I would be making with my camera. But the sky's the limit here. If your content has more of a techie vibe, you can check out the glitch section. Do you post animated or illustrated videos? Then check out the MG category. These are really cute for cartoons. Once you've found the transition or the transitions that you'd like to use in your video, you can add them to your timeline in a couple of different ways. First, you can click on the blue plus sign on the transition preview. Alternatively, you can just drag the transition of your choice down with your mouse. One of my favorite things about using CapCut transitions is that you don't need to drag your transitions down in between each and every clip. Once you add one transition to your video, the dynamic menu on the right side will change so you can adjust its duration. Here, you can play around with the slider to make your transition faster or slower. Think about the pacing of your video. Are you trying to move things along pretty quickly? Then you should shorten the duration of your transition. If slow and steady is winning the race here, go ahead and extend that duration. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Apply to All button and CapCut will automatically add that transition between every clip in your video. This is so incredibly convenient and it will save you so much time. You can always remove transitions from your video or switch them out for another one by clicking on them in the timeline and pressing the backspace button. This will remove that transition so you can add a different one. You definitely don't have to use the same transition throughout your entire video or even have transitions before each and every clip. Use your creativity to make transitions work for your content. I'm so excited to see how you utilize transitions in your videos. Is there a specific one you keep going back to? Did this video maybe inspire you to switch it up? Let us know down below. And if there are any other CapCut features that you've been wanting to learn more about, drop those suggestions down below too. We've got your back and we're gonna post tutorials about anything that interests you. And with that, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.